Aligned to the state and next-generation science standards, this resource is designed for grades 5 to 8, with a simplified reading level of grades 3 to 4. 170 pages of content within 24 chapters make up the bulk of this unit. We also include an assessment rubric, a critical thinking skills rubric, and a vocabulary list. Begin with the first section of this bundle, Climate Change Causes. Every chapter has a Before You Read section to see what learners already know about the topic, ideal for differentiated learning. Learn what effects ozone has on human health. Follow up with Section 2, Climate Change Effects. The reading passage is where you'll find all the curriculum content. See how changes in climate affect an area's economy by virtually destroying the farming industry. Finish off with Section 3, Climate Change Reduction. The After You Read sections include short and long questions for comprehension, followed by an extension activity. Learn how green buildings work and what components go into creating this fascinating technology. Differentiated comprehension skills are measured by a crossword and word search puzzle, then a 3-part comprehension quiz. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 18 color mini posters completes the resource. Review a map of the world's major ecosystems. Visit our website to see climate change causes, climate change effects, and climate change reduction.